Thank you for joining us for this week's episode of Species Spotlight at the Key West Botanical Garden. This week we have featured the Yellow Necklacepod, which is a long-lived flowering shrub that occurs naturally in coastal strands, hammocks, and dunes throughout Central and South Florida. The flowers, which bloom year-round, attract butterflies, bees, hummingbirds, and other small birds. The plant provides food and cover for a variety of wildlife. The bright yellow flowers are typical to the part of the pea family, irregularly shaped with a broad upper petal or banner and two adjacent petals or wings surrounding the fused bottom petals that form a boat-like structure. The flowers are borne in long 6 to 12 inches of terminal racemes. The leaves are pinnately compound and alternatively arranged. The leaflets, which number as many as 21 per leaf, are thick, ovate to elliptic, and oppositely arranged. The young leaflets, as well as the trunk and the stems, are slightly pubescent and may become glabrous as they mature. The fruits are stalked pods up to 6 inches long with severe constructions around each seed compartment, resembling a beaded necklace, hence the common name. It is a native to coastal counties of Central and South Florida. It is a perennial with moist, well-drained, calcareous or sandy soils and prefers full sun exposure. Yellow necklacepod is a fast-growing hardy plant with interesting foliage, flowers, and seeds. It does well with a single ornamental specimen or in quantities to form an attractive buffer to plant with. It is drought and salt tolerant but cannot withstand freezing temperatures. Fun fact, every part of yellow sophora has been used extensively by humans for both traditional medicines and construction materials. Thank you for joining us for this week's episode of Species Spotlight. We look forward to seeing you next week. This episode was made possible by the generous support of our sponsors.